today.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah, where are we going?
We're doing chores with Lauren and Dad. Lauren and Dad are doing birthday chores.
Yay.
The birthday boy is here. And it's finally warm.
Is this warm?
We are in our winter
It's
out.
May 9th.
Okay, how about this? There's no snow on the ground.
That is true. There was this morning.
Interview with Dad. Who's your favorite chicken?
Vanda.
Vanda, here she comes.
There she... Oh, you're gonna come see me? You're gonna come see me? Miss Rooster?
Oh, the chickens have all come to Dad.
Hi, Vanda. That's my Vanda.
She's easy to catch because you can sneak up behind her because she can't see you because of her hairdo. Yeah, this year.
Oh, I love Bindi.
Bindi.
Bindi, she's
That's
awesome.
a good answer. Okay, favorite adult goat.
Oh, look, it's a chicken.
Okay, we gotta let her
That
out.
we own, or
Yeah,
where's the chicken at?
she just went out.
Oh, okay.
Favorite goat that we own.
Tudball.
Tudball, Marigold.
Tudball.
Bindi, the jungle girl. Princess of the animal world. Hi, Red.
Do you need a little TLC?
1, 2, first. Favorite cat.
T-Swan? This was my favorite cat.
Perfect. Dad, I think maybe your favorite part of the chores is looking for eggs.
I love egg hunt.
Egg hunt. Got anything?
Oh, there's no eggs up here today.
You know what would be really funny?
What's that?
Is if when we finally use all these, if we find like there's a crack that all the eggs have gone down, that there's like 100 eggs somewhere in this hay.
Well, that's where they were before, right there.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, they flew down in here and they were in there.
Like they were nesting in there or they were falling down into that
Maybe
crack?
that's not true. Maybe this is a layer earlier.
Oh, chickens.
Eggs away, I don't want to mess them up.
All right, it's Dad's turn to get the broody hen. Oh, hi, Gamora. Hello.
Is she gonna peck me?
No. Make sure you grab her wings. There you go. And then you just set her down in
There's
front of her
3
food. She's on 3 eggs? That means 3 different chickens got in here and laid an egg with her in here.
No way.
Yeah.
She's been in there all day?
Oh, I bet. Hi, Gamora.
Man.
Okay. We're weighing Bindi. This is the
Right
sling
behind
she's gonna go in. That's our
Scale out.
our suitcase scale.
Right on your heel.
Oh, I have a Bindi. Hello. Okay.
What do you want me to do?
We're just gonna read the scale.
That's all I need to do. Read the scale. You want me to hold the camera, or...
No, you'll have to hold it. So I put her in it, and then you hold it. So you gotta turn it on. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Then hold this like this. And then we do the flying Bindi. And then I hold her like she's a taco. And then if you just, oh, okay, yeah. And then, are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's get it centered.
Make sure she's centered. Put her a little closer to the ground.
Yeah, ready? And
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
3.04
Oh my goodness, 3 pounds.
Made it to 3 whole pounds.
3.02 pounds.
Yep, 3.02 pounds is what it said.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, how sweet.
How are you? How are you?
Oh, those are kisses?
Such a good girl. Yes, you are.
So, Dad, what was your favorite part of today?
Oh, I don't know. It's all been so much fun. I don't know that I have a favorite.
We went and looked for a tree for Mom for Mother's Day.
It's too cold.
It's too cold, and the place we went, the trees were so expensive.
It's really expensive.
We say Happy Mother's Day to Red.
Say Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. See those are your new babies over there. You see them? Yeah, you know they're your babies. Don't
She's
you?
like, I know, I'm not an
Oh
idiot.
my gosh, they're on me all day long. All day long.
They are. She's a very good mom, but she sleeps on the opposite side of the pen from them.
She's a good girl. Yes, you are. Good girl, Red.
Bingy, how can I help you?
She says, I'm in your face.
Crocodile? Oh, Climby! You got a sleepy hunter.
Bendy, you look like just a bright light. There we go. You smelling the sling? Huh? They're cute. All right, we're done. Let's go.
Dad, can you tell which eggs belong to which chicken?
I know the white one's Bambas. I know this great big one has got to be a buff sage.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
And then these, I think they're the Mambas.
Yeah, those are all mambas or
This
lavenders.
looks to be lavender, but I'm not sure.
Yeah,
That's what I know.
that's what he knows. Okay, we're gonna turn it off. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.